Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up budget alerts on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Simple account. So go ahead on Simple's website and sign into your account using your email address and password. And of course, you can also sign in on Simple's mobile app on your mobile device as well. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the budgets button that's in the top navigation bar. And then from the drop down menu, you're going to select budget alerts. And next, you're going to choose an alert type, such as a low balance alert, or it could be an over budget alert. Whatever type of alert that you want to set, go ahead and choose that. And then you're going to set the alert threshold, such as a specific balance for the alert to go off, or spending limits before the alert goes off. Just go ahead and set the alert threshold. And once you're done setting that, you're going to confirm the alert by clicking saved. And from there on out, you're going to receive alerts based on your type and threshold. That's pretty much it on how to set up budget alerts on Simple in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.